Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Guess what I'm doing? I'm gonna do an egg fast. And so this is just a quick little video about my egg fast. So me and Erin does the keto are doing an egg fast. I'm not sure how long we're gonna do it for. I think a couple of days or as long as we can hold out for. So I'm trying not to be too loud and I'm not focusing. Okay. And yep, so I had for breakfast this morning, I had 2 scrambled eggs cooked in butter, and then I had a coffee with cream, and then I haven't had anything else yet, so I will have something soon probably, and I'm thinking that I want to make a reverse omelet like Erin made, where the outside is the cheese, the nice crispy cheese, and the inside is eggs. I think that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. I think so. I'm making an egg loaf. It's so easy. 8 eggs, 8 ounces of that, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm whisking these 8 eggs and the 8 ounces of cream cheese and the 4 tablespoons of butter. And my arm got tired, so I asked Chris to do it, and he was gagging.
Look at it. It's disgusting. I can't. It's so gross. It looks like somebody ate a bunch of cheese and threw it all up. It's. I can't. Memory banks.
Yeah. I don't know why the cream cheese. Maybe I wasn't supposed to warm it, but either way, I don't care. As you can see, there's cream cheese floating in this. I'm going to put this in the oven for 15 to 30 minutes, or 15 to 20 minutes at 350. So I think I failed at making an egg loaf because it didn't get mixed properly, the cream cheese. I'm still going to eat it though, but this is what it looks like. Curdy. See you guys tomorrow.